Tara, let's explore Diningwood Beach!
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going going all the way. Going out.
Hi guys, I'm Julius. And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time. Welcome to our travel vlog. Good morning mga kalakwacha!
Good morning! Today is our second day. But before we start our day, magbe-breakfast muna tayo.
Buffet itong breakfast dito sa hotel na to. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga food na meron sila.
After natin mag-buffet, punta rin tayo sa mga malapit na beach. So later makikita nyo sa susunod na mga scenarios sa video namin.
Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga iba't ibang mga activities na gagawin dito sa Boracay.
This is my second time, pero nakita ko ang dami ng improvement. So gulat ako, merong mga McDo. Let's see, tingnan natin. Kaya,
Samahan nyo kami mga kalakwacha. Breakfast muna tayo. So dito yung breakfast buffet nila ng park ng hotel. Check out natin mga food na meron. Good morning! Meron silang areas to toast the bread, may mga muffins, may mga jam, fresh milk, and then cereal. Meron silang fresh fruits. Very refreshing fruit store juice. And coffee section. Hindi magpaluto ng itlog dito. Tapos, we have, wow, lugaw. Okay. And then, tignan natin kung ano naman to. Pancake. Miguel loves pancake. Rice and then fried rice. Ito, breaded fish fillet. Beef tapa. Breakfast na breakfast talaga. And then steamed vegetables. Kuha ko nito para healthy. Okay, kain na tayo guys.
good morning kalakwacha, nakakauna tayo ng breakfast today. So yun yung mga common food naman sa mga buffet. We have scrambled egg. And then, I think strip of beef siya. And then, this one is fish fillet. Anong tawag sa rice na to? Fried rice. And then, meron silang lugaw. Pero, para siyang arroz caldo kasi may mga strip of chicken. So, this is first time na makakain ako ng buffet na may lugaw. At, siyempre, mga fruits and coffee. So, kain tayo mga kalakwacha. Sulitin natin yung binayad natin.
Kumuha ko ng gulay. And ito yung sa akin. And then, 2 eggs. And of course, coffee. More coffee and less milk ako. Kain tayo. For me, for a buffet variety ng breakfast, hindi siya ganun karami. Pero sa bagay naman, hindi naman talaga dapat masyado marami kinakain in the morning.
Pero may mga tinapay, huwag kayong mag-alay.
Ayun, may tinapay din kung ayaw kumain ng kanin. May pancake, mga ganyan. Oo, may yogurt din. So, depende kung anong preference nyo. I would say, kasi usually yung presyon sa Boracay, lalo na kapag sa mga proper restaurants, medyo expensive. Ang buffet pala namin dito is 450 siya per day, ang buffet.
Today is my birthday from March 15th. And after March 15th, Jollibee is my birthday from Jollibee Kalayaan is created for my birthday.
Happy birthday!
So we are in Boracay and we are gonna celebrate my birthday in Boracay.
So you are the reason why we're here? Because it's your birthday, no?
It's your birthday today. Ay, happy birthday pala.
So what are your wishes on your birthday, Theodore?
So Kalakwatsa, I don't know my wishes, so I can just I can just
Lagi silang may ganyan, yung vegetable.
I can just eat first before I'll talk to you what my wishes.
Okay, say bye now.
Bye Kalakwatsa.
Have breakfast.
Bye Kalakwatsa. We'll have breakfast. Okay.
Say hi to the vlog.
I enjoyed this burning thing.
Pinagbigay be.
Lapit lang. Ito na. Dito na tayo guys sa Diniwid Beach. Walking through Diniwid Beach. So from hotel namin, around maybe 5 to 10 minute walk lang. Let's go.
But the 5 out of 10 walk, I think I don't know, I'm stuck.
Okay, we'll be walking on that side. Lakad tayo doon. Doon daw yung Diniwid area.
Let's go.
Let's go. Walk, walk, walk.
So Diniwid is known.
Ang ganda ng Boracay. Nakaka-relax dito. Alam mo yung hampas ng alon, naririnig mo sila habang naglalakad ka. Nakaka-relax sa isip. It's a place where you can actually reset your mind and relax. Very nice.
Awesome.
It is awesome.
So awesome. Don't take the waves.
Ah, ang ganda. Pwede ka mag-photoshoot to with a clear boat.
Wow, but where's the big ship, the blue one?
Yeah,
Maybe it's gone.
it's gone. It's too far. Napakadaming photo spots dito.
Are you okay?
Kalakwatsa Tio, are you okay?
Ate, thank you, Daddy.
Ang gagawin niyo talaga mostly sa Diniwid ay mag-picture. Ito mo si ate girl, ang ganda ng post niya, oh. Tapos may mga guide kayo na pwedeng makuha na pipicturean din kayo. Diba ang cool? Things to enjoy in Boracay. Sa may walkway dito, merong rope. Kumapit kayo kasi tingnan mo ganyan na. Kaya yan.
Kaya yan, gilid.
Hawak lang. Basta safety is important. Hawak lang sa gilid.
Pinalitan na nila.
Fun fact, Diniwid Beach feels like Boracay's secret hideaway. Even though it's just a short walk from the white beach, a tiny path over the rock leads to this peaceful piece of paradise. Saan banda ate Diniwid? Doon pa? Diretso pa daw, guys. Konting lakad pa tayo. Barefoot on the sun. Walking barefoot on the sand gives your feet a natural workout, improves strength and balance with every step. Plus, the soft shifting sand feels a mini massage, a pure beach therapy. Kaya nga, mas comfortable to walk. Pero it's nice to walk on the sun and sand. Ooh, chika, 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 chika. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. This is the Diniwid Beach. Ito na pala siya.
Upo ba kayo? Pwede upuan tong katawan. Hindi naman ako maliligo.
Makalakwatsa, tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-pristine yung water. Makaganda. Alam mo dati, kapag pumunta kami ng beach sa mga friends ko, meron siyang, lagi namin inisip na magkakaroon ka ng healing and relaxation not only in your mind but also in your body. Kaya yun sa mga rason kung bakit kami ng mga friends ko, ang go-to place namin kapag gumagala kami. Not only we hike mountains at times, but we also go to the beach. Kasi totoo, meron talaga siya healing power. Napakaganda guys. If you have a chance at nasa Boracay kayo, so walk to Diniwid Beach or go to any beaches. If you're feeling a bit troubled, may mga inisip kayo, nahirapan kayo mag-decide minsan sa mga bagay-bagay, to clear your mind, get away from your usual routine, mag-weekend holiday kayo, punta kayo sa malapit na beach sa inyo. Doesn't have to be grand or super layo or famous na beaches. As long as you can go to a beach na pwede ma-clear yung mind nyo, it will really help. Ganda guys! Hello! Are you tired, T? Hi, K4D.
Hi! Di, dito ka.
T, with the buko.
It's okay ka lang?
Julio. Hi, big sister. Buko in front of this view. Chill-chill muna bago ulit maglakad. Ayan, may buko guys. Dito kami bumili sa Diniwid. 150 dalawa. Not bad. Tulong na rin sa local. At the same time, this is such a hydrating drink. Kapag nandito kayo sa beach, inom tayo.
My foot.
Where's your feet? I think your feet is here. Is this your feet?
That's not my feet. That's my arm.
Is this your feet?
That's not my feet. That's my head and hair.
So kalakwatsa Tiyo, where's your feet?
Buti si Tino namumula pagka ano.
Where? Is it here?
No.
Can you tell us where your feet are?
I think the feet's here.
Oh, is this a feet? Oh! Your tiny feet.
Now you remember it. If you don't know, just hit like and subscribe so you can find more games.
Alright, thank you.
And the next game.
Guys,
Guys, pag naubos nyo na yung sabaw, pwede nyo siya pakat. At bibigyan din kayo ni Kuya ng parang kutsara. no?
kutsarang. Natural kutsara.
So, paborito ko kasi ito kaya, ang sarap ng buko nila dito. Nagpabiyak ako.
What? Nagbabiyak ka.
Para makain.
Hindi ako yung buko, ha? Don't get me wrong, guys.
Don't get me wrong.
Sarap ng buko sa mainit na panahon.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kuya Kim and Jessie
Thank
for the
you, Jess and
buko.
Kim.
Thank you for the buko.
Yan na daw yung lunch, guys.
Tio's birthday today.
Hi ate. Si ate ang gagawa sa braid ni brother. Shawi. Magkano ang pagpapabraid ate?
Yung sir, 300. Tapos pag may string, 50 per line.
50. At anong mga string to ate? Ito yon. Ito siya. Ibang color. Maganda yung mga colors ni ate. Pero okay naman to. Safe naman siya sa hair ate, no? Okay. So gaano katagal binibraid ate?
10 to 15 weeks.
Okay. Thank you ate. So tingnan natin guys kung ano magiging turnout ng braid ni brother.
Layo mo sa kapag
Sakit siya? Masakit? Yes.
Now I found another one.
Wow, you're very good.
Alam mo, ang dami ko pang ang balak bilhin kay Tio. Scuba shoes. Tsaka yung full face, Oo, para yung ganun.
Ang aming hair stylist for today ay si Ate Gina G. Hindi siya Gina G, ah. Gina G.
Galing. Galing na galing.
Galing na galing ang ating Miss Gina.
Ay, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ni ate pa zigzag. Oh. Papabiyak tayo kay Kuya ng buko para makain natin yung, ano ba tawag dyan Kuya? Buko. Yung laman ng buko, yung meat niya. Yug!
Wow!
Meron.
Marami.
Ang rami, patingin nga, wait, pakita nga natin.
Wow!
Wow, Kuya, halos wala.
Yung pang magiging kutsara mo, di ba?
Sakop lahat.
Thank you Kuya. Paano mo Kuya?
Santiago, dito yung siya
Nonoy! Shout out kay Kuya Nonoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan ka na, why?
I found chua.
Oh, nice.
See, try this thing.
No, no, no,
That's
I found
healthy, B.
chua.
That's healthy for your... How was it? Sarap, no?
Halos wala akong laman eh.
Malauhog si ang buko.
Ay, dali.
Tatlo na lang kuya yun ang ano mo. Tatlo na lang, uwi ka na.
Okay, thanks guys. Papasok ka sa sarap. Nasa Boracay kayo, pwede nyo kontakin si Ate Gina. Ito yung number niya. Tignan mo yung mga styles na nakikreate ni Ate Gina, oh. Diba? Ang cute. Ang galing ni ate, oh. Diba?
Maganda book ni Chowi. Oo. Buti niya ako nagpagupit, di ba? Plano ko magpagupit bago mag-ano.
Ako nagpaganyan din dati pag ganyan.
Almost patapos na.
Nabanat na wala yata yung wrinkles.
Ate, na-stretch na yung mukha niya. Parang yun ang ginawa mo, ate.
What?
In-stretch mo yung mukha.
Chinek niya, sabi niya.
Ate, parang yung mukha yung in-stretch mo. Hindi hair yung ginawa mo, ate.
Ate, akin alisin mo yung mga pin.
Ate, nag 1 year siya. 1 year, younger look siya, ate.
Magkano mabigay ko sa'yo?
Na-stretch siya ba yan?
Machikla ako, sir. Bakit hindi?
Ate, mas magaling ka kay Ivy Clinic.
Kuya. Ako kanina nga. Mamaya na.
Oh. Yes. Butterfly or angel?
2,000 years later.
Final look mga kalakwatsa. Nice. Ganda, maganda. Thank you, Ate Gina.
Wow, your turn.
Yeah, I try. Just one line.
One line from Ate Gina.
Ang bait ni Ate Gina
Tapos
pumayag
papaganon.
siya.
Patingin nga, isang line lang. Ay, dali.
Pati nga, Julius.
See, what's happening? I cannot see your legs now.
Masarap mag-ganon doon sa ano. Kasi ito may dura.
Tio's request. Let's make you a fish. We can make you a tail. Raided by Godzilla. Whoa, kalakwatsa, Tio.
What's this?
How are you, Kalakwatsa, Tiyo?
I'm good, but what happened? I just swept, but what
Are
happened?
you okay? Can you still breathe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, would you like to stand? Whoa! Strong!
Doon ka na, maliligo ka ulit.
Paligo na tayo.
Ano kayo, video ko kayo, Tan?
Going from one, dinagdagan ng isa ulit.
Aha!
Ate, nababanat mo na rin yung mukha niya.
Matangos na yung ilong ko.
Wow, chow! Hey!
Yung bagay kiking. Wow, shake it up, shake it up.
Magsiswimming na muna kami ni Theodore.
Ayan na yung ano. Wow! Aray ko. Ayan na, ulit. Ow! Baka say bye-bye na.
So far, nakakailang line na po tayo. 4 line na daw. At sa sobrang taas ng line ko din. It's another line, yeah? Thank you kay Ate Gina, shout out. Sana mapanood mo to, ate.
Ano yung ano nito?
Troubles with Tristan and Julius. Subscribe ka, ate, ha? Si Ate Gina ay 41 years old. At meron siyang 7 anak.
Sa inyo rin itong bukuhan na to?
Hindi sir. Friend lang sir.
Friend. Support local tayo. So first time lang to mga Kalakwatsa.
Finished product! Ate Julius! Yay! Thank you, Ate Gina, the artist behind the art. Ganda tingnan. Bagay sa'yo. Hey! So what language do you speak now?
I'm from BA, I'm from UK. I live in London. I need a water. Can I have some water, please?
Thank you, ate. Maraming salamat mga Kalakwatsa sa pagsama niyo today sa Diniwid Beach with us. Stay tuned. We have more adventures in Boracay. To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment kayo kung anong paborito nyong part sa trip na to. Check out these videos for more travel adventures!